Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about vitamin C and skincare. So a lot of fuss has been going around vitamin C and should you be using it on your face, and I have personally been receiving a lot of questions whether vitamin C is good, should you be using it, what are the side effects, what skin type should use it, is it good for sensitive skin, what products to use, when to use, and so many more questions. So I thought it to be a good idea to just sit down, talk about it, and I'll also be recommending 4 vitamin C face serums that I have personally tried, I've been using, and which have worked wonders for my skin. So I'll be recommending that. And also we have a special giveaway announcement at the end of this video. It's in collaboration with my sister Mansi Gandhi. It was long due and we'll be giving away some amazing skincare and hair care products. So to know all about it, watch this video till the very end. Also, if you're new on my YouTube channel, hey guys, it's Dhruva. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and sometimes travel, and I try to upload every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So consider subscribing, and without wasting any further time, let's dive in. So the first question that we have is vitamin C good for your skin? Then my answer is yes, vitamin C is great for your skin. People who have acne marks or scars or blemishes or dark spots, then vitamin C can honestly do wonders for your skin. Also, it will help your skin get the nourishment, the hydration, and will also result in a glowing and brightening skin. Okay, so the second question was who should not or who cannot use vitamin C on their face. Now my answer to this is everybody can use vitamin C. It can be a part of your skincare routine, but my personal recommendation is that if you have very sensitive skin, then I would recommend you that you do a patch test of whatever product, whether it's a serum or a face wash or a toner, whatever it is, or a face cream for that matter. Do a patch test before directly applying it on your face, because people who have very sensitive skin, there is a chance that the product might react to your skin, causing redness, itchiness, acne, or any other symptom you might observe. So do a patch test before directly applying the product for the first time on your face. Next question was when to use vitamin C. So ideally you can use vitamin C twice a day, in the morning and as well as in the night, but you have to make sure you use it on a cleansed face. So if you are using a serum or a moisturizer, make sure your face is properly cleansed, and then you can inculcate whatever vitamin C rich product that you want in your skincare. Another question was how do you pick a vitamin C skincare product, whether it's a face cream or a serum. So while you're picking a product, the vitamin C content that should be present in the serum or the face cream should be between 10% to 20%. More is not good, less is not good. This is the ideal range of vitamin C content that should be present in the product. So check that. Brand wise, I would suggest that pick a brand that you trust. Pick a brand whose products you have used in the past and have worked for you. Don't pick any random brand just because the product is cheaper. So go for a brand that you trust, which you have used, and yeah. And the last question was my personal recommendation. So I have 4 vitamin C face serums that I have personally used for over a year now, which has worked great for me. These are the brands I trust, the products I have used and I trust. And this is not sponsored at all. So the first product, the first vitamin C face serum is this one from Kaya. It's called their Antox Vitamin C Formula Plus White Resilience. This is for all skin types. The texture of the serum is gel based, gets absorbed really quickly. It's not watery, it's not cream, it's gel. It's priced at rupees 1840. It's a 30 ml tube. The mechanism is simple. You just pump it up from here. It looks transparent, doesn't have a scent to it. The second vitamin C face serum is this one. It's from Wow Skin Science. This one smells like oranges. The vitamin C content is 20% in this one. It's priced at rupees 699 for 30 ml, and even the mechanism is simple. It's again gel based. This is the fastest absorbing serum that I have ever used. I have made a separate video of the entire vitamin C range from Wow Skin Science, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a card over here. Another vitamin C serum that I absolutely love is this one from Prolixer. It comes with a dropper like this. This is transparent, it smells really great, but it might be a little oily, if I may say so. So I personally prefer using it during the bedtime. And I made a video reviewing this product, and I had some of the girls commenting that it reacted to their skin or they got acne. So if you are someone with very sensitive skin, I would recommend you to give this product a patch test before you use it directly on your face. In fact, I would recommend you to do a patch test for any product that you ever try on your face, whether you have sensitive skin or not, just to be on the safer side, because we know how precious our skin is to us. And the last vitamin C face serum that I recommend is this one. It's from the brand Body Cupid. It's their vitamin C serum. It is white in texture. It's not cream, it's not gel, it's like a white colored water, if that makes any sense. This is really light on my skin. After I've applied it, you won't even feel that you've applied a serum. It's very light, it's lighter than all the other serums. And this is again a 30 ml tube priced at rupees 699, comes with a dropper. So these are the 4 vitamin C serums that I've personally used and that I love. Now coming on to the giveaway part, me along with my younger sister Mansi, she is at the rate I am Mansi Gandhi on Instagram, so give her a follow. So we both of us have collaborated for this giveaway. This giveaway is not in collaboration with any of the brands, but we are giving away some of our favorite products that we absolutely love. So all the rules to the giveaway is in the description box below, but I'll just say it out loud as well. You have to follow me on Instagram at I am Dhruva Gandhi. You have to follow Mansi on Instagram at I am Mansi Gandhi. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to share the giveaway this post on your Instagram and tag both of us. If you have a private account, take a screenshot and share it with us. Like this YouTube video, and we'll be picking a winner 10 days after this video goes live. And yeah, that's it, and we'll send you the products. We plan to do a lot more giveaways in the coming 3-4 months, so stay tuned for all the fun. And yeah, that's about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you another time. Till then, bye.